Okay.
Wait, now we have to go through all that again.
No?
Oh.
No, not all of it.
You want to go through all of it?
Unless you want to.
No, I'm good.
You actually laid on the ground?
This is so comfortable. I don't know how I found this position. Like, but I just went to go lie down and everything landed perfectly the way I needed it to do. I could genuinely turn these lights off and have a nap piece. But this...
It's amazing how comfortable anything is.
I don't know how I found this position.
Sorry.
Move, Brogan.
No, you don't get this. You don't get it. What? Damn.
Oh, you'll leave it behind. You'll leave me passing it?
Who am I passing it to?
Me. Where?
What?
Theodore.
Go on, over it. Over it.
On top of his head.
Alan, you get a picture of me up here?
What?
You're right.
You get a picture of me up here?
What's up, son?
Is everyone okay?
Stop.
I'm sorry, that's bad.
Let's see. Come on down. You got it. You got it.
No.
Easy. Very easy for you. Piece of cake.
Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Cast him down.
Okay, we're headed out. There's another opening up, just up a little bit further too.
Where is my son?
You want him? Who wants him? Me.
I can't help you.
Was somebody hollering for me?
Yeah.
You good? Just what?
That's it. You reach forward and you can,
No, it should be
it's
going.
easier to get down.
Jackson?
Yeah.
Okay, you're good?
You put play on it, didn't you?
Very good.
Hey, man.
Where are we gonna come back? Where are we gonna come out from?
We are going, just go through the opening, any opening that's to the left.
Okay.
Any opening to the left?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I hate that.
Hold on. Let me get this.
I swear to cross my nerves.
Very good, yeah. Yeah. You got it. Very good.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, I want to climb more walls, but we don't have enough time. I wanted to climb more walls, but we don't have enough time.
No, we don't, unfortunately. It's just such a long drive, I think. They
Yes,
want to
it's
get you back.
3-hour drive.
I got too much stuff on my helmet. Huh? out!
Which way?
I can't see you.
Which way is out? Out!
I left breadcrumbs, crumb breads.
I for real cannot be doing this.
All right.
Sorry.
I'm not in a flower going to bed. Tight hold again. So cold, please, so cold.
Do you want me to get in front?
What's that?
What's that?
I don't know if they were going.
Okay.
Wait, can I go back?
I'm gonna go this way. Okay. Circle out in front.
Is that Felicity?
Yeah.
Where are we? Wait, I think that's Ellen right there, right? Ellen!
What?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Like, where the, wait, he knows the king. You got clay on her hat.
All right. We are actually
How deep do you think we are?
not that deep, really.
Wait, is it like a deeper point?
No. With the catacombs, it's as deep as it goes. We kind of went in the side of a hill, so we stayed pretty level. It's the ground went up. We are going.
No, he's not. I'm tripping. That's mud.
We're going to go that way.
Ellen is up here.
Where?
Oh no, they're asking where you were at.
Where am I?
I'm not sure. Just got comfortable too. Like, how far away from the outside?
Not that far.
I'm so over this.
You've had enough, huh?
I want to live here, Ella. What? You don't want to live here?
Live in a cave?
No, I don't.
I would live here if I had a lot of like.
If what if I say this place?
Do you even have so many back problems if you lived here?
Like it's rent free to live here. Would you live here?
Actually, no. I've never lived
What if it's rent free though? Like.
Okay, we want to go across the rocks, not up.
Cross.
Yeah.
And back down, it looks like?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Come on, so God, you're right here. Or is it right here? Is that way?
Do you want me to get up front?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, wait for Alex.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, you can go up, but it's a little sketchier.
You could go up there.
It's tough.
Is it tight? Can I go up there?
No, it's not tight. It's a drop.
Y'all, you want to go up there? Can we go up there? Are we allowed to?
Yeah.
Alright.
I want to go up too.
Me too.
Wait, hold on. Who got Teddy?
Just
Teddy.
be very, very careful.
Who's got Teddy? Who's got Teddy?
Back here.
Riley, I'm good. Don't worry. I'm
Oh,
not
yeah,
dead.
no.
Go
Yeah.
down.
It's like a bit, it's barely any place to
No, you
hold.
are not.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah, I'm not doing it.
It's very sketchy.
Yeah. Great, you can see it, but that joint's crazy.
Yo, wait, where are we going?
I'm thinking it's like,
Yeah.
All right.
Unless you duck down, like right there.
Wait, that would be
yeah, you
a
can
work.
see it.
Yeah, duck
If you do it, I'm
He
gonna.
was talking from like up there.
I have to get up a little higher. Here we go.
Right there? Yeah, look at that. No, I can get that from here. Yeah. Alright, go. Great, I just want to see how you gonna do it.
Bro. Watch out.
Yeah.
Me? Check my butt now. Here, I got you. Hold on.
It's easier going this way. Just letting you know which is easier.
I got you. You got it?
No,
Watch your ankles.
Alan said for your dad, it's easier.
Yeah.
Did that? Can it help?
So why would you keep this?
Why? It's fine. It's fine.
You're good. You're good.
Can I jump?
No, don't jump. Don't. You'll twist. Get your foot there.
I know, I caught you though.
There you go. You got it. You're welcome. No problem at all.
Hello. Go to Teddy. Are you right? Where do I go now? Yeah, I want to go.
You come down there.
I have to go down?
Yeah.
Show it the other way. You want, can I, is it too?
You can back up and go the other way if you want. Or you can come down here. You can put a foot here and then get down if you want.
Okay.
Okay, keep going. Keep going. Right there. You got that? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm underneath you. You're not going to fall anywhere. Bring your other foot down. You can get a lower handhold and then you can step down. That's it. That's it. I'm underneath you. You're not going to go anywhere. Go straight down. Go for a lower. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Is there a wall?
Bro, I had to. I was sure too. Oh, chill, that rock is. Oh!
I think I'm
That rock's moved. Yeah, you can step on it. I know, but look. Oh no. No, Teddy! How dare you? I got him.
Chuck Teddy.
Don't lose, Teddy.
Around this thing, I hate this thing. Bro.
What is this?
It's the thing with where you have to be on the edge of the wall.
No.
Oh,
No, I like it. I like it when you're on like the left side. The right
Come
side.
on, you got this.
You can do it.
Is this the wishing well island?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Come on, we can do it.
So how many more years are you going to keep doing this?
I don't know. Honestly,
Who's going to take over when you're done?
I don't know. I keep trying to find somebody to do it.
I know it can't, but when I started working
Wait, no,
there,
No.
15 years,
We
17
have
years
to go
ago,
up. Yeah.
I started making fishing poles that had been built. And I know the right lead, nobody's going to fix it. That's going to be the end of the fishing pole we can. Because nobody fixes it, you can nail them out there.
Yeah.
And even though we don't use reels, they still got, you know, the hooks break off. Or
Oh yeah,
You
well, it
can't
takes constant maintenance.
you can't, I used to cut down the bamboo and dry it and trim it.
Yeah.
I just buy bamboo rods from Amazon.
Uh-huh.
I get 20 of them for like $17, 25 or $17. And all I have to do is drill a hole and I have the rod made in 5 minutes. And they last for about 8 years or so.
Really?
Yeah, because they shellac
I'll
them.
get you one foot. How about you?
Well, that would work. All right, here we go. This past year, a friend of mine, he has a house down in Virginia, and you know, a lot of people know him. He's a very avid caver. He's about your age, and he was invited to dig open a hole,
We did
and
climb up.
they got the hole open, but not enough. to fit a normal person in. And this guy's small. He was the only person to get in this hole. And so he was the first person in this cave.
Wow.
Ever. And it was so decorated. He took pictures of everything and posted it. It's beautiful.
I mean, it amazes me. Like when I read stories about like the guy, he was like 16 to 15 in Carlsbad Caverns.
Uh-huh.
The first person who ever explored it.
Yeah.
And you know, there were caves. Yeah, there was no lights. There was no paths. There was nothing to map. And there was
Yeah.
stupid lanterns that probably broke halfway there. He rigged up ladders in the place. It's crazy.
Hey guys, let's not go over the edge part, okay?
Okay.
Don't go over the edge part.
Bro, it is, bro. I
This was
swear
in
this is where we
Virginia?
came from. This
The
is.
cave was in Virginia.
Yo, why?
I think it was Virginia. He said it was. But he lives in,
It was slippery before.
It's down there and
Why is it so
where does he live? He lives just outside of Philadelphia.
What?
Is his house, Media, that's where it is. But then he has,
It is.
it's down and right.
he bought the house in Virginia so that cavers can go and stay there.
Run this way.
Got a place to sleep and eat and stuff. And he was digging around on his property and he found an entry to a cave there too. And it was like, guys, take your time.
Alan, why is it so slippery now?
It's wet.
Why? It wasn't wet when we came.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was.
It was just as wet. Do you guys want me to get down there? Are you okay?
You want out and down it? No, we're alright. No, just go. You left me like Oh!
Oh, someone's out. Oh, it's my counselor.
Guys, take your time.
I'm not really sure.
Please comment, like, and share. It helps others find this video.